Back away, Eric. Whoa.
Whoa.
See it bubbling?
It's gonna slow down. It's gonna slow down. It's exploding. You're not gonna put your eye in it.
Look what's going on with the volcano.
Is it exploded?
Come
It already exploded.
Come look at it.
Look it. The volcano's erupted. See? The stuff's going down there. The stuff's going on there? Down there?
No, on the pan.
Oh. See, look, it's leaking.
Don't touch, it's hot lava.
No. It's not real.
It's not real.
Whoa. Lydia, you should feel it. No, I need it hot on me.
No, it's not hot lava.
Lydia, it says cold. I don't want to touch that cold lava. It says cold right here. It's cold. It's not hot. I don't want to touch this stuff.
It's okay, don't touch it. It's okay, honey.
It feels nice in here. I touch it in here.
No, it's okay.
Whoa!
Look over here, Lydia. Look at the volcano. Whoa, look at all that.
I can't see it.
Look at it here.
I'm gonna touch it. Okay, bubble. This book.
Okay, leave it bubble. Leave it bubble, guys. Watch what's gonna happen. As the bubbles grow, the pressure will rise up.
Dad, can I touch it?
No.
Why? Why?
Go ahead.
Okay. Can I touch it, Dad?
Get back up, sweet love.
Whoa.
Go ahead. Go and touch it. Yes, go touch it.
It's going to drip on the pan. Because I can't touch it. See? Because it's too far away. It's going to... Oh, yeah. Are you kidding me? That's cool. Whoa. I just got some on my clothes. I just got some... Let's do it now. We'll feel this. Whoa. Look, this thing looks...
Here, Lydia. Look at the volcano. Whoa, look at all that.
I can't see it.
Look at it here.
I'm gonna touch it. Okay, bubble. This book.
Okay, leave it bubble. Leave it bubble, guys. Watch what's gonna happen. As the bubbles grow, the pressure will rise up. And see how it's coming up the top now?
Yeah. Daddy, this picture with the volcano stepping is in the camera. Daddy, you in the camera. I don't know what.
See, it's climbing up. The same thing happens in a real volcano.
Why is it climbing up, Dad?
It's getting higher and higher and it falls off the side.
and it falls on the pan?
Yeah, watch. That's what's gonna happen.
I don't know the fun of it.
You're okay. Look. Look what's happening. See what's happening? Look at the pretty colors. There's bright red, there's like pink, there's orange,
No,
kind of.
Daddy, this stuff is pink.
Let's see what happens with.
Lemon jokes.
Yeah. Whoa.
What's it doing?
It's doing another reaction. Back away from the
It's
camera, honey.
erupting.
Yeah, look at it. It's erupting.
It's gonna explode now, Dad.
Oh, maybe.
It's gonna explode like this. Or feel.
Baking soda, soap, and lemon juice. Look at the different colors it's making. And if we stir it up, it's pretty thick. Let's try that. Whoa, that's even better, huh?
What is this is even better. This is even better. Yeah.
It's so thick and foamy.
Do you want to watch me? Want to watch me, Mommy? Yeah.
Whoa, a little bit, buddy. Slow down.
Do you want it to do it fast so that it won't like explode really
Whoa, look
crazy?
at that.
Whoa! But it was really cool that I did it fast. Look at what it's doing.
Baking soda with red sparkles, red food coloring, and vinegar.
Why are you saying that? Why are you saying
Ready?
that ingredient? Whoa.
I like how it's bubbling at the base of the volcano mountain.
Is it called a volcano mountain?
No, just a mountain. Whoa, look at all those bubbles.
It smells like baking soda.
And vinegar, yeah.
That you said smell it.
I did smell it.
That Lydia, you should come see the smell. It smells really good.